6:30 a.m., December 30, 1896. The guards entered to get Rizal for his final march to Bagong Bayan. He wore a black suit, a white shirt, and a black hat.
Aputin! Fake!
How enjoyable cycling can be. Yes, yes, Pepe. Show us how to play a kite. Hi, the way you can do.
Certainly, provided my mother has no errand for me to do.
Yes, please, Pepe. Nakakalimutan.
Pepe, my boy, how are you? Good morning, Father Lopez.
Sa pawis.
Let us all join us, Isidora. I enjoyed money. Let us all join us, Isidora. I enjoyed money. Children of the lake. Word artist na word artist. Let us all join us, Isidora. I enjoyed money.